We're going to do horseback riding, which is a typical thing to do here in Bukidnon. So very excited. I've done it before, but she has never done it.
I'm excited.
You speak like an American, eh?
Oh, you too, you too.
Yeah, I'm Japanese.
Japanese?
So Japanese in Payaw.
Oh, where you live here? Balay.
Yeah.
Ah.
What type? I'm a Chumacano. I speak Spanish.
Oh, hablas español entonces.
Sí, señor.
Oh. Oh, you speak Spanish?
I had grown up in Zamboanga City and Zamboanga speak Chumacano, you know.
Ah, Chabacano, yeah, it's like Spanish, right?
Yeah.
Similar.
Same as you. Your head is like my head.
Yeah, but your hair is not like my hair.
Funny hair.
Funny hair. He said I have funny hair. No, no children, no children.
Oh, I thought you had plenty because I want to ask maybe two or what.
Oh, no, I don't have. You have children?
No, no.
No children? Oh.
Maybe so.
Son? Maybe, he's not sure. Maybe.
Maybe so.
Right, but you know how to speak Visayan.
No, a little bit. I know a few words.
Yeah.
We can speak Spanish, but not Visayan. Can you say something in Chabacano?
¿Qué tal el vida, señorito?
Again?
¿Qué tal el vida, señorito?
Ah, that means what? How is life? How is life, right?
Yeah.
Ah, wow, it's almost the same as Spanish.
Mujer ingrata, porque abandonaste, reportaste mi vida el dolor. Pero tu ingrata, vestidio de mi vida.
How much is it?
60 VC.
6, babe.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. It was 60.
Oh, 60?
Yeah, but he said it's okay.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't.
So that bus ride was quite the experience. We met some true characters here from Bukidnon. Well, actually he was from Zamboanga, but now we're almost at the ranch where we will do some horseback riding. I'm quite excited for that because I basically grew up around horses. I never did much horseback riding, I would say, but I still love horses, so I'm very excited to see some and to ride some horses. And she is as well, because she doesn't have...
My first time.
Well, yeah, so excited.
I have high expectations. I'm ready to see the horses. I've been hyping it for a while now, and finally it's happening.
Yes.
Excited and scared at the same time.
Well, it looks like we made it to the ranch of Dr. Cuy. Hi, Dogo. Hello, good morning.
Yeah.
My name is Tim. Nice to meet you. Junjun. Oh, sneezing. Hebrew is his name. Well, it's a she.
Shiba. Yes.
Lucky.
Lucky. He's a guy.
Ah, it's a guy. Is it a stallion?
Stallion, sir.
Kapon, way kapon.
He doesn't have eggs.
Yeah,
So is it,
those are the calmer ones. Because if it would be a true stallion, you might have some issues. This is the female.
Yeah. Cute kitty.
Ooh.
You're very pretty. Oh, you don't seem to like us.
Yeah, not much.
Oh, he let out the other horse. Okay.
Ooh.
Wait,
Tiny bit
take a
worse.
shot of this. You're pretty. So this female seems to have an attraction for, I don't know, AFAMs.
Wait, it's muddy here. Be
Yeah.
careful.
Asa man masulod, sir?
Left ka na. Sige. Hawid sa horn niya. Saka. Sige. Go. Sikat. Good. Okay.
So, how does it feel?
Feels like riding a horse. Feels good though. Feels scared though. Hulong siya.
Walk. Hey.
I'm gonna let him ride there. I want him to show me some styles. Do circles.
Yeah, I'm gonna do like this.
Just look the range there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh.
The champion.
Yes.
Ah. It's like white and pink. And the
Yeah.
eyes are very clear also.
With a little bit of mud because she rolled in it.
Yeah.
Multicolored.
Beautiful though.
Hi. Ooh, look at you. I can't ride you yet.
Too young.
Too young. No flies yet. There's not much flies. Look at her. She's so pretty. Can I hug? Or is that too much? Maybe she has boundaries.
I don't know if you can hug a horse. I never tried hugging a horse. Thank you very much. Thank
Welcome,
you.
sir. Welcome.
Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye. Okay. This was a little bit of a quick visit because it's starting to thunder and soon it will be raining and we don't want to be stuck here in the rain. Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it. I also like how peaceful it is.
Yeah.
And you can see that the horses are well taken care of. So, you know, it also adds to my experience that they're in good hands here.
Yeah. And also this is kind of strange, but I think it is to disinfect the cars that come in for the African swine flu.
Yeah.
Because when we came with the bus from CDO to Malay Balai, we also had to step out of the bus and put our feet in such a thing to disinfect. So I think that's it, because I want to protect the animals, of course.
Yeah.
So on to the next one. Hi, good afternoon.
I don't have one.
Yeah, we wanted to have a look because I saw that you have custom leather works and leather art. And everything.
There, over there is our workshop,
Oh.
our working area.
So, for example, this bag, how long would it take to make that?
It can take almost 2 days.
2 days.
Yeah.
One person, 2 days.
Yeah. If ever 2 person, you can finish it for 1 day.
Wow. Yeah. How much is this one?
That's for 15k.
15k.
Yeah,
handmade.
15,000.
15,000 for this one. When it comes to wallets, I'm very specific, and my current wallet is like this, super tiny, minimalist style. But this one is almost the same. I think it's even better because it has the zipper, and I can put some coins and some bills there, and here 4 cards, so it's perfect. And they will engrave a name in there, maybe my name, we'll see. So let's do that. Hello, good afternoon.
Winner shop.
How many people are working here?
As of now, now we are 30, including the office staff.
And you export to the whole Philippines or
Yeah, Philippines.
also abroad?
No, just only in the Philippines.
Oh, okay, okay. When you prepare the leather, it has a strong smell, right?
Yeah. At the tannery, we purchase our leather is we purchase it already from Luzon. So it's already made it in one piece. So like that, but we don't process from skin to leather. We purchase the leather piece now already.
Oh, it's not from Bukidnon, the leather.
From Luzon.
Well, I thought because you have more cows here in Bukidnon, you have more leather, but it's not like
We
that.
wish to also add provide, but as of now we purchase the leather. Wala tayo lang. Wala lang yung available.
Pwede na a little bigger ng ano.
Tang natay kan available
Oh,
lang
can I see?
na mga discount dere.
So we got here our loot bags. I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So first off, let's just get Tim's stuff. So this is the leather wallet that he got. It has the logo. Can fit 2 cards with a zipper for cash or coins. And of course, he got it personalized. Support Tim Tens. And he also got a freebie, which is a keychain. And he had it personalized as well. Thank you to Mugna for that. That's so thoughtful of them. And when you get a loot bag like this, you will also get a sticker from Mugna as well as their disclaimer. So as you can see here. So you can really see it's real leather, and they explain that here as well. And for me, I got myself a wallet as well, personalized with a lock. Can fit many stuff. Fits perfectly for a girl like me that tends to lose a lot of my stuff. And keychains for people in our life. I can't mention it yet, but yeah. So thank you, Mugna, for experience and also for accommodating us.
Yeah, we paid for it though.
Yeah, we paid for it, but still they were so nice to show us how they produce it.
Yeah. It's really nice, really nice.
Okay.
Yeah, so this stop over here at Mugna Leather was a bit of an impromptu stop. We just saw this in CDO in the mall, and we thought like, oh, if we have time in Bukidnon, we will visit their workshop. And we had time, we were in the neighborhood, so we came here. And in general, I really love wallets. But I want them as tiny and as minimal as possible. And the one I bought is pretty minimal. It could be more, but maybe... Yeah, so I want my wallets as tiny, as minimal as possible, and maybe I'll bring out my own design of wallets somewhat in the future. That's really what I want to actually. So we have arrived at the Hello Kitty fuel station, and look at this, everything is in theme of Hello Kitty. Yeah, this is quite a unique place. I've never seen this before, and there's also a big truck, but it's not here right now, but it's fully themed in Hello Kitty as well. We saw it on the road actually, and it's full of pink and Hello Kitty paintings and all that. Hello! Oh, they have a monkey locked up here. Oh, why is this monkey locked up? What are you doing here? So that's something I don't really support. I don't know why they have a monkey locked up. Is it like some kind of attraction? I think it is. I know back in the days in Europe they used to do this with like bears and stuff, put them out outside their restaurant, outside their bar, for like as an attraction basically. And I think that's the reason the monkey is here, which is really sad honestly. I don't want to see this monkey locked up. Look at this, he doesn't look happy, no? Are you happy? Look at this, their outdoor kitchen, Hello Kitty. Even the toilet is Hello Kitty. Look at this. Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty. And it's a Japanese toilet, Hello Kitty. Everything is Hello Kitty in this gas station, it's crazy. Someone is a big fan of Hello Kitty here.